Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the cap, gasket, and threads. This prevents leaks. Once done, rinse with warm water and add 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap to remove manufacturing residues. Make the first fill with about 0.5 L of lukewarm water, screw the lid on firmly, and invert to test for leaks. If it holds, you've verified the seal. These quick checks save you spills and lingering smells later, so do them every time you bring a new bottle into use. You'll use the bottle daily, so understand limits. Fill with cold or room temperature drinks unless the bottle explicitly says it tolerates boiling water. Extreme heat can damage seals and coatings. Make sure to hand wash the cap and mouthpiece every day and deep clean the interior weekly. Once weekly, scrub with a bottle brush and a paste of baking soda and water to remove odors. If you travel, carry a small drying cloth and leave the cap off to air dry. To finish, dry the bottle thoroughly with a clean towel and then leave it open to air dry fully before capping. Trapped moisture breeds bacteria. Store the bottle upright in a cool, ventilated spot rather than sealed in a bag. If you spot a leak, first clean and reseat the gasket. Debris often causes poor sealing. If leakage persists, replace the gasket or cap. Don't over-tighten the lid as that can warp seals. These steps keep your bottle safe, odor-free, and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.